Hey, let's improve your bowing on the violin, and today we will talk a little bit more about staccato. So, when you see dots over or under the notes, it means you have to play them short. It seems like you have to do the short rests between the notes. Or if you want to do it faster, it would be the same principle. Yeah? But when you see the same notes, but with a slur, it's already staccato. Remember, without dots, it's marcato, but with dots, it's staccato. Technique is quite similar. So in marcato and staccato, marcato, you will do just short rests, and I think it's a bit easier to stop your bow when you play down and up. But when you play some few notes for the one direction, it's harder to stop your bow. So how you can start to play that staccato, I mean few notes, few short notes for the one bow. First of all, don't rush, take your time, and intentionally do it very slow. And remember that you have to do the rests between the notes. Probably for the first time you will do the rests quite short. Oh, sorry, opposite, long. But you need to hear that rest. Then you can increase the tempo. Also, it's very important to remember that it's easier to play with the longer bow without slur. But when you play with slur, you need to use shorter bow for these short notes. Because if you will use too long bow, you will not be able to hear the rest between notes. Yeah, and then we will increase the tempo gradually. Can you hear that? So we started from very slow tempo and then we increased the tempo. And also I forgot to mention that when you play staccato, imagine that your bow is sticked to the string. So you don't need to raise your bow every time when you play a few notes for the one bow. I don't mean don't do that. It's already another articulation. But imagine that your bow and your bow hair and string is the same one. It seems like you play just long note. But here you will do some short rests. I will do actually now on the same string now for you. It's also staccato. I played few notes for the same bow. So let's repeat now few main points about staccato. Number one, when you play some few short notes for the one bow direction, it means it's already staccato. The second point, when you play staccato, you need to use shorter bow. Number three, don't forget about hearing rests between that notes. And number four, imagine that your bow is sticky, very sticky. So when you put it on your string and bow hair become one unity. So I will see you then in the next videos, and take your violin now and practice. Try to play staccato even on the one note or just open string, but I hope you will enjoy your skill. If you would like more complete and advanced information, just kindly visit my website with the link in the description box below. I will be waiting for you there.